Hi, I'm showing you how to make gizzard and fried plantain in spicy pepper garnishing. I have some frozen chicken gizzard. I'll be placing it in a saucepan of water. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, a bit of black pepper or any seasoning of pepper of your choice, some white pepper, a teaspoon of thyme, and this will be cooked for about 50 minutes to 1 hour or until it's soft. We have the gizzard now very soft and ready to be fried. I'm going to drain it out of the water into a bowl, ready for frying. Fry the chicken gizzard. Whilst the gizzard is frying, I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil on a frying pan. I'm going to be adding in 1 sliced onion and 1 diced paprika pepper. We start frying until it's nice and tender. And then we'll be adding in some parboiled stew. Add a bit of seasoning into the fried peppers and onions. Some spoonfuls of stew. If you don't have stew, you can just add in chopped tomatoes and some chili peppers. Stir fry gently on a low heat for about a minute or two, and then we'll be adding in the fried gizzard and the plantain. In the making of the gizzard, spicy gizzard, you can either have separate spicy gizzard on its own, or you can mix it with fried plantain. That usually is the best way to do it. It's more juicy, more delicious, and a lot of Yoruba people refer to it as gizdodo. The chicken gizzard has been frying for about 3 minutes. I want it nice and soft. So I'm going to put it in a bowl and then add in the diced plantain that we cut earlier and fry until nice and golden brown. The plantain is now nicely fried, golden color. So I have the gizzard and the plantain. So I'm going to be adding some of the gizzard into the sauce, a little at a time, stirring with some fried plantain. Mix the gizzard and the plantain into the pepper sauce and simmer for about a minute or 2 minutes. Our gizzard and plantain is ready for serving. It can be served on its own, or you can serve it with fried rice, jollof rice, or plain rice. Enjoy.